In this video, I am going to guide you how to buy domain and hosting at a very low price from Godaddy. So let's get started. First of all, visit the main page of Godaddy. Now click on the domain names and then search for domain. Now you can see that there is a search box, so enter the domain that you want to buy. Let's say if I want to buy Ahmed News. This domain name is already taken, so we will have to search for a domain that is available for purchase. Let's say if I want to buy Ahmed News Tech. As you can see that this domain is available for purchase, so we will just click on this, make it yours. Now this domain is added to your cart. Now our next step is to purchase hosting for this domain. So for that purpose, click on this menu and then click on websites and hosting and then select web hosting. Now scroll down and you can see that there are multiple plans available of hosting. Make a blog of my website, so I will just select economy package and then click on buy now button. This domain is this hosting is also added now. This hosting is also added in our cart, so let's go on the cart button. Now this hosting is also added in our cart. As you can see that this is our domain name and this is our hosting. Now you can also see the billing package of this. As I want to buy this domain for 1 year, so I will just select 1 year. And now same for this hosting, I want to purchase this hosting for 12 months, so I will select 12 months. Now you can see that free with this plan. This professional email and standard SSL certificate, we are getting these two things for completely free, and our total items are 4 and subtotal bill will be 12,000. Now the main thing here is to create your account. Now click on continue to cart. Let's say if you want to sign in later, and then click on sign in later. As you can see that this is our domain, this is our hosting plan, and these are the two things that we are getting completely free with our order. Now you can see that our subtotal amount is 12,000, but main thing here is that you want to apply a promo code and then our price will be reduced. So I will add GDD1HOS and then click on apply. Now you can see that the price has been reduced from 12,000 to only 2,988. It is around 3,000 rupees. So now you can click on I am ready to pay. Then Godaddy will ask you to create an account. I will just click on continue with Google and then select the Gmail account. Now my Godaddy account is also attached with my Google account. Now Godaddy will ask you to enter the billing information. Just enter the billing information that you want to add. After adding your information, click on save. Now Godaddy will ask you to add a payment method for this order. Now enter the details of your credit or debit card. After adding your credit card, you can see that your payment card ending with 6350 has been added. Now click on the complete purchase button to complete your purchase. After clicking on the purchase button, now you can see that our order is in processing. So we will just have to wait. And as you can see that our order has been processed and there is our receipt, and now if you click on view receipt, you will see that your order and everything. Now click on continue and you will be redirected to your home page. And if sometimes this error happens, click on go to hosting and you can see that this is your hosting. Now click on my products. Now all of your products that you purchased is shown in this order. As you can see that our domain, our hosting that we purchased, also our email that we got completely free, and there is our SSL certificate.